Welcome to day 5 of your 7-day breathing challenge. My name is Coach Erin and I am so glad you're here. Thank you for showing up for yourself. If you're new, if this is your first day, go ahead and go back to day 1 and start there because I teach the foundations of proper breathing mechanics. So your biomechanics, how to breathe well. And that's really important to go through that because then I'm layering on each day. So you might not want to jump right into this session. If you've been here for 5 days, so cool. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that you're showing up. I hope that this has been really beneficial and that you're starting to notice your breath throughout the day, that you're using it as this anchor and this tool to understand what you're feeling emotionally, what's stressing you out, what's causing anxiety, because our breathing pattern changes when we're under stress, when we're hyper aroused. Just like if you're running or you're high energy, you're going to be breathing faster, shorter, more shallow breaths. And that's okay to do for a period of time, but it's not okay to do prolonged. Prolonged stress, chronic stress, is where we start to get a lot of the negative impacts. So I want you to go back, if you haven't, learn that 360-degree breath. Another thing I want to kind of show you, it was an aha moment for me, is imagine like a car came through this video right now and was going to hit me. I would go, right? I would breathe, I would suck in air from the mouth, which we learned we want to be breathing in and out of the nose as much as possible. The nose is for breathing. And I'd also draw the belly in, suck in on that inhale. So I'm using my neck and shoulders as the primary breathing muscle. A lot of people come to me and they are breathing paradoxically, which is reversed. So they're sucking in, taking a big deep breath for their inhale, and that's really stimulating the nervous system. Just like if the car came through the video and I go, it's going to prepare me to run or dodge that car. We don't want to be doing that throughout the day. So we got to get the respiratory diaphragm to move properly, and that's why I always start with that 360-degree breath. Today, we're going to do a little bit of a breathing technique that I personally love. It's going to be box breathing. I want to guide you through that doing 4-8 breathing first. This is going to be a longer, slower breath. If you're brand new to this, it might be too long for you. That's okay. Do your best. Jump back in on my cueing when you can. You don't have to be exactly with me the whole time, okay? Make it yours. I do 4-8 breathing before I go to sleep, or if I'm feeling really, really stressed. I'm going to have you breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth for the first few breaths. You'll breathe in for 4 and you'll breathe out for 8. Then we'll try a little bit of box breathing at the end of this session. Find your comfortable place to sit or lie down. I'm using a meditation pillow. You can do this in a chair. You can do this on your back or sitting like I am. I'm in hero's pose today. Let's start how we usually do. Just close your eyes and start to ground into your physical body. Start to connect. So slow down the forward thinking. Don't get stuck in the past. Just bring the mind and the body together by observing your breath. Notice as it comes in and out. Don't judge it. Don't criticize it. Just welcome it. I think of unconditional love. Hi, how are you, Erin? How are you doing today? How's the breathing? Is it short? Is it shallow? Is it choppy? Am I holding my belly in? Am I gripping anywhere in the body? Just start to connect. So much power here. We are so disconnected from our bodies. It's shocking. We're so distracted. And what you're doing here is you're cultivating a practice of awareness, of almost like befriending yourself a little bit, like slowing down and acknowledging, hey, how you doing? How's it going? Great. Let's begin with that 4-8 breathing. Again, try to stay with me. If you can't, don't worry about it. Make it work for you. Exhale completely. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time, breathe in and breathe out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Don't judge. Encourage yourself. That was really awesome. If you're brand new to that, you might have not had the lung capacity. So that's something you're going to gradually gain from this practice. Lung capacity, having a bigger lung capacity, is connected to a longer lifespan. It's really important. Respiratory health is the #1 vital sign. It's really important. I know that you believe that, that's why you're here. We're gonna move into box breathing. It's even longer breath. So let's just see how you do. It's an inhale for 4, a hold for 4, an exhale for 4, and a hold for 4. We're only gonna do a few of these breaths today just to see how it is. And we'll do more in the next sessions. Find that comfortable place to sit, lie down, make any adjustments you need to, close your eyes, fully exhale, and then let's begin. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Let it go. Don't try to control your breath and just go inside, see how that felt. Please don't be hypercritical if you're brand new to this breathing practice. You will get stronger. This respiratory diaphragm will get stronger as well. It's a muscle, so it will just get better and better. And I have so many different breathing practices on this channel, and I'd love to create more. Comment below if you liked one of these practices we've done a little more than the others, but I'd love to create more for you because this is so beneficial, and we all need ways that we can manage our stress better. And I think breathing is such a wonderful, maybe even underutilized tool. So thank you for being here. Thank yourself. Let's see you come back for the next 2 more days. If you've done all the other 5 days, stay committed and commit to the next 2 days, and then maybe repeat this one more time or share it with a friend. Thank you for being here. Breathe well.